Hypnosis is a state of deep relaxation with acute focus that can help you open up and bypass the logical mind to understand on a much deeper level how to alleviate some of the experiences that cause you anxiety or might have traumatized you. And I use trauma in a very light term. So hypnosis is going to help you go into the subconscious mind to help you gain a new insight and perspective to your anxiety so that you can release it, or help you go in and reframe an experience that you had in order to release it so you can move forward without that fear or worry. I had a client who was doing public speaking and they stumbled and it resulted in anxiety of going back on stage. So what the point of that is that they had an experience that created an association in the subconscious mind that public speaking is painful. Therefore, anytime they think about it or want to go do it again, they get anxious just by having had that experience and the thought of doing it again. Same with fear of flying. You get an anxiety about fear of flying. So what hypnosis can help you go in to do is reframe that experience, maybe relive it, tweak it, change it, visualize doing it again and rehearsing it. It's almost like, in some ways, cognitive behavioral therapy, but in more of a visualized, imaginative sense.